There we go. There it is. Let's go, baby. Big cow nose rays. They're all around me. There we go. That's a good fish, bro. It's a fat fish. Fighting reds in and out of each other. It's coming right at you. Oh no! It's going towards you, Jerry! What's up, y'all? I'm Matt Swiggs and welcome to my channel, Salty Swiggs. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. I do saltwater fishing along the Alabama Gulf Coast. That's where we are today. And as you can see, the sun is coming up. Doing a little wading. There's the homies over there if you can see them. Should be a good one. Y'all stick around. If you haven't already, smash that like button down below. Please consider subscribing. Let's get after it. Whoa! It's a giant stingray. Big cow nose rays. They're all around me. Trout? Really? What do you think? Yeah, no shit. No, he just pulled it. May have been a shark. What the hell is that? Yeah. Was that a shark? A tarpon? That's a big fish.
Yeah, I never had a fish come off and then come back.
That was weird.
You got any top waters?
No. It kept going for it.
Yeah, that was wow. There was a fucking hammer, whatever it was. I couldn't stop.
What the hell? Oh, there we go. Bro, I was working it super fast, like walking the dog.
That's a nice trout.
Is this a trout?
God. Oh, she just rolled.
Oh my gosh.
Might be foul hook.
All right. Because it feels like a giant.
What color are you throwing?
Sexy croaker. Be a big girl. Oh my gosh, that's a nice one.
She's not as big as I thought she was.
Well, thanks, buddy.
She ain't too big to go on the stringer, though. I don't think. Let's see.
It's a male.
Yeah, it's a male. It's a male. We'll keep him.
All right, y'all, just got this nice trout, probably about 18, 19, something like that. On the Big Slick, this is one of my customs. That's the sexy croaker. That's what we call it. It's basically a chartreuse croaker. Using that 1/8 ounce owner beast hook, 20-pound mono leader, 10-pound braid. Let's go. Second fish of the day. Great thing about the slick lure, y'all, is that you can basically work it however you want. So I wasn't getting bites, just twitching it, so I started walking it, walk the dog like top water. As soon as I started that, I got that trout.
Put whatever seasonings you like.
These things look like they're getting chased right in front of us. Just hooked up on a red. Terry just landed his. Hey, mine's coming towards you. Terry. But they hit it as soon as it hit the water. Doubled up on nice ones.
That again?
What?
Red?
Oh yeah. And ready. Thank you, sir. Dallon! Let's go, baby.
Slick and red, so. Hey, go ahead and triple up.
Trying.
Do we need to go under again?
Damn it. You got that weight in way too fast.
There's another one on it. Look. Oh yeah, it is.
What?
Yeah. Catch him. There's one right on him. Look, he's right here. Hey, reel it in because we're about to get some mess. Pick up there anymore. Yeah, it is. Y'all, he's right on the back of it. Just go out there and get you one.
Yeah. All right, y'all, so I'm curious, what is your favorite redfish lure? And mine probably is gonna be like a small paddle tail, like a 3.5 inch to 4 inch paddle tail, or the big slick lure. It's gonna be one of those, or the junior, I guess. That worked really well in Louisiana lately. But y'all, let me know. Comment down below, what is your favorite redfish lure? There we go. Golly. That's a big fish. This is bigger than the last one. This is dope, y'all.
Dr. Doormat Charters.
Come on!
Yeah, not Speckled Trout Charter. We don't get stuck on Wednesday.
Yeah, this is a bigger fish. Not like that. But now it makes sense why it's so big and hasn't left. Golly. That's a good fish, y'all. Coming at you. Fighting reds in and out of each other. It's coming right at you. Oh no! It's going towards you, Terry! Yeah. Tanner drove by and we're all hooked up.
My friends didn't invite me.
Beauty.
Unbelievable. How big is this school? 9 is not going to But I will stay here and catch them all day.
Yep.
Out over here.
I don't know if this one's a keeper.
He's too big?
It looks big. Look at that's over. Terry's got one. What happened to yours, Dylan?
I got it.
Oh, there it is. Dylan's hooked up. We just tripled up on reds. Look at this big old fat beauty. Gorgeous. Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta catch one on this point blank. He needs to catch a fish.
All right, y'all. Let's let this big one go, and it's gone.
Like.
There it is. Let's go, baby.
God, that feels so good.
There we go. Oh, dropped it.
Tanner just said folks are tripping up out there on the shore.
He didn't know it was us.
No, I don't think so.
Oh! Dude, it took me off the screws. All right, y'all, I just lost one. Popped my slick right off the screw locks. Dylan broke his rod. It's all happening right now. It's all happening. There we go. Just saw that red blow up over there. Threw right on it. Golly. Yeah, they're right here. Golly. What the hell just happened?
Right?
Thing broke me off. It was rolling like crazy. Well, that'll happen, y'all. Probably should have checked it. Oh, it's right there. Dylon's got a trout.
Pretty good one.
You just lose it right there? What the hell? They've been located. There we go. That's a good fish, bro. Bro, it's pulling drag. It's charging me.
Been located.
Ah, damn! It's a good fish, dude.
Nice one.
It's a good fish. I don't either. Come here, big girl. Man, a phone would be nice right now. It's a fat fish. Chill, honey. What a gorgeous fish. Look at that hammer.
Football. How are you working it?
Up high, just like you are. So it's at the V on Veritas. I think that's like a 21.
22.
Look at how pretty she is.
Fat.
Look at her shoulders.
She's thick.
That's all I wanted, bro. beautiful trout. Look at that, y'all.
On the pearl?
On the pearl. Look at the moon.
Yeah,
Moon's right there and everything.
you know what I was thinking as it was rising? Look at her freaking belly in the hand.
I know. Look at this trout, y'all.
She's about to lay some egg.
That'll be a good thumbnail, I think. All right, y'all. Oh, she's ready. All right, there she goes. Hell yeah. What you think about that, Dylon?
Love it. I want a bigger one.
Come on.
You know where I bet they are?
Right here.
The rigs in the bay.
Oh yeah. Stacked up. Well, y'all, what a great day. I mean, such a fun day with the homies. If you haven't already, I mean, please consider subscribing. Smash that like button down below. And until next time, y'all stay salty.